To help prepare your business for what's ahead, you have to evolve from what you had before, and so we're saying goodbye to the Datamax brand. And hello to an all-new suite of Honeywell printers. At Honeywell, we're flipping the switch and bringing you innovative, enhanced printing solutions. So when it's time to replace your current Datamax brand printer, we'll be here, ready to make your transition to a new, improved printer quick and simple. Minimize disruption. Enhance productivity. No matter what class of printer you use, we've got a replacement ready to meet your unique business needs. With all the features and capabilities you expect, plus some enhancements to improve the whole experience. We know your printers do more than just print, and you need reliable solutions that can get the job done every time. They use the same native printing language as your legacy printers, which means an easier transition with less training. Wireless features mean you don't need to connect to your PC. Larger LCD screens are easier to read. And device management lets you stay on top of maintenance and avoid downtime. So when it's time to replace your printer, don't put your business on hold. Minimize disruption and ease into a new Honeywell printer. Expect better printing with Honeywell.